Abdali Grammar School. Science. Lesson. Human Health. Chapter number 3. Lecture number 3. 69. Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Hello beginners. Our today's lecture is about the methods that are used for water purification. There are four methods that are used for water purification: filtration, boiling, chlorination, solar disinfection. Let's start discussing about first method, that is filtration. In this method's filtration tank is used to remove the impurities from water to make water clean and useful. Filtration tank contain many layers of filtering material. Water become clean after passing through these layers and ready for use. Filtration is very common method to clean the water. Our next method is boiling. It is the method in which all bacteria and viruses can be removed from water through boiling, and water become clean. Boiling is the cheapest method to clean the water. Move on to next method, which is chlorination. It is the method in which chlorine is added in water to purify it. When chlorine is added in water, it kills all the germs and bacteria to make water clean. Our next and last method is solar disinfection. It is the method in which solar energy is used to purify the water. It is also common and easy method to remove the impurities of water. In this method, transparent containers of water are exposed to direct sunlight for 6 to 8 hours. During this method, the heat and light of sun inactivate the microorganisms, especially bacteria present in water. I hope you all understand the methods for water purification. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.